Welcome to all of my wonderful subscribers and viewers, wherever you are in this great, big, beautiful world. I hope you're all doing great today. Today I am cooking some chicken chow mein, and these are the ingredients that I'm going to be using. I have half of a cabbage. It's already washed and it's drying. I have 3 chicken breasts. It's all washed and sliced. I have carrots, 1 large carrot, and I have some onions, red and white onions, and bell peppers over here, mushrooms, garlic, some green onions. I'm going to go ahead now and I am going to marinate the chicken. Okay, I am using some VH medium garlic sauce. Okay, I am going to pour some in, eyeing it. That's about 3 tablespoonfuls. And I am going to put a bit of black pepper. And a bit of cornstarch. About 1 tablespoonful of cornstarch. You can use baking powder if you want, but I'm using cornstarch. Okay, I'm going to mix it in. Okay, I am going to leave this to marinate for about 15 minutes. I have about 4 liters of water boiling on the stove. So while this is marinating, I am going to go and cook the noodles. I am using spaghetti noodles, but you can use chow mein noodles if you want. Right, I'm going to set this aside then and go to the stove now. I have 410 grams of spaghetti noodles. I'm not going to be using all of it. I'm going to be using most of it. I'm going to leave this to cook for about 9 minutes and then I will be back. Okay, the noodles are cooked. So I'm going to drain the noodles and then I'm going to start working on the chicken. Okay, and I'm going to leave the noodles to drain and go and work on the chicken now. Okay, I'm going to add the chicken now. Okay, I'm gonna leave this to cook for 3 minutes on each side, and then I'm gonna come back and turn them. Okay, 3 minutes is up. Let's see how we're doing. Lovely. Delicious. Okay, leave it for another 3 minutes, then I'll be back to add the other batch. Okay, these are done now. I'm gonna go ahead and take them out, and I'll show you when the other batch are frying. Okay, I'm gonna leave this to fry for about 3 minutes again on each side, and I'll be back to show it to you. Okay, beautiful. These are done now. I'm gonna take them out and start adding the vegetables now. Okay, I'm adding in the carrots now. I'm gonna leave them for 1 minute, and then I'm gonna come and add some more, like the bell peppers next. Okay, I'm gonna add in the bell peppers and the onions now. Okay, adding in the garlic now, and the mushrooms. And also the green onions. It smells so nice. Look at all the beautiful colors together. Isn't this beautiful? Everything will be in the description box. And don't forget, if you're new to my channel, welcome, and please subscribe and tell your friends and family to watch this, and please give me a feedback and let me know if you're going to try this recipe and how you like it. Okay, I'm adding in the cabbage now. Okay, I'm gonna add the chicken now. Isn't this beautiful? This is like restaurant style. Okay, I'm gonna add in the noodles now. I'm gonna add a bit more of the VH sauce. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the chicken chow mein is done. Isn't this beautiful? I am going to charge $35 per plate. What do you think? Do you agree with me? Okay, I'm going to plate the chow mein now. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. God bless. See you next time.